Alameda CEO Carolyn Ellison has pleaded guilty to a 7-count charge held against her by the Federal Attorney's Office. Her plea was accepted and an agreement was made. This agreement means that Carolyn will be waived of any charges against her except criminal tax violations. The 7-count charges against her are 1. Engaging in a conspiracy to commit wire fraud on customers of FTX, maximum imprisonment of 20 years. 2. Wire fraud on customers of FTX and aiding and abetting wire fraud, maximum imprisonment of 20 years. 3. Engaging in a conspiracy to commit wire fraud on lenders of Alameda Research, maximum imprisonment of 20 years. 4. Wire fraud on lenders of Alameda Research and aiding and abetting wire fraud, maximum imprisonment of 20 years. 5. Conspiracy to commit commodities fraud, maximum imprisonment of 5 years. 6. Conspiracy to commit securities fraud with respect to FTX equity investors, maximum imprisonment of 5 years. 7. Conspiracy to commit money laundering, maximum term of 20 years. That's a total of 110 years that will now be waived off. She will need to be fully cooperative with law enforcement investigation, however. In addition, Carolyn will not be allowed to leave the United States. She will forfeit any properties she has as well as any proceeds that she received in connection with FTX and Alameda. A portion of the agreement reads, "The defendant hereby acknowledges that the defendant has accepted this agreement and decided to plead guilty because the defendant is, in fact, guilty." They will have to confirm if truly she is a citizen of the United States. If yes, nothing changes. If she isn't, she will have to be removed from the country.